Welcome to another Math Ninja Pro video.
In this video, we will look at an example involving the volume and surface area of a cone.
In this question, we have a composite solid that is made up of a cone as well as a cylinder. Alright, so we know that the cone has a height of 3 and the cylinder has a height of 6 and the base diameter is 4 cm. That is trying to tell us that the radius of both the cone and the cylinder is actually simply 2 cm. So to find the volume of this entire solid, we need to add up two parts. First is the volume of the cone, and then we need to add it to the volume of the cylinder. Alright, so if we recall, volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h, and the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Alright, that's a different height, but in this case it's the same radius. So let's substitute what we know. The radius is 2, the height of the cone is 3, the radius of the cylinder is also 2, but the height of the cone is actually 6.
This gives
4 pi, which is the volume of the cone, and 24 pi, which is the volume of the cylinder. So if I add that together, it's 28 pi. And if I press my calculator, I'm going to get 75.4 cm cubed to 3SF. Alright, so that's the volume. Now to find the total surface area, I will need to find the curved surface area, pi RL. Notice that I already know what is R, that is 2, but I do not know what is the slant height, which I will need to find. And for the cylinder, I will need the curved surface area, which is 2 pi RH. Alright, so in this case, I already have the R, which is 2, the H is 6, so I have all the values needed to find the curved surface area of the cylinder. And finally, for the circular base at the bottom, it's just simply pi r squared, and I already know the radius is 2. So in order to find the total surface area, I would need to find the slant height first. And to do that, I can simply just use Pythagoras theorem using this right angle triangle here, which I will draw out in red. Right, so in this right angle triangle, I already know that the height is 3, the base is 2, so I can find the slant height L, which is actually the hypotenuse. So let's work that out. L squared is 2 squared plus 3 squared. So this will give us 13. So therefore, L is the square root of 13, and we can leave this as a working answer. And now let's use all the values that we already found to find total surface area. Okay, so the total surface area is the curved surface area of the cone, which is pi times radius times root 13, plus the curved surface area of the cylinder, 2 pi times r times the height of the cylinder, 6, plus the circular base at the bottom, pi times 2 squared. Right? So we can again work everything out with a calculator. You should be able to get 110.618. So in your 3SF answer, you can give as 111 to 3SF.
Remember to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more ninja level math videos.